Hey guys, it's me Yashasachar and this is Trinal Academy. Today we are going to learn some trig ratios. Last video we did some radians and degrees. In this video we will learn more about trig ratios. Now firstly let's draw a triangle. Let me make it big. This is a triangle A B C. Now, and this triangle makes an acute angle theta. This is 90 degrees fixed. Now, this side the side that is adjacent to this angle is called adjacent side. This side is the adjacent side. Adjacent side, or we normally say this as base. BC, side BC is adjacent to angle theta, or is the base, and the side opposite to this angle theta is opposite side. Opposite side, or we normally call it as perpendicular. Perpendicular. This side we already know, it's the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, this is adjacent and this is opposite. Now we know this is the AC is hypotenuse, BC is adjacent, AB is opposite to angle theta, respect to the angle theta. Now the trigonometric ratios of this angle theta in right triangle ABC is defined as, now, sine of angle theta, or we can say sine theta, is equal to side opposite to angle theta, opposite side, by the hypotenuse. Or normally we can say this as, in this triangle, as AB by AC, because AB corresponds to opposite side and AC corresponds to hypotenuse. And cos theta, or cosine of theta, or cos theta, is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. In this triangle, adjacent side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Now there's another term, tangent or tan theta, which is the ratio of opposite side by adjacent side. Here opposite corresponds to AB and adjacent side corresponds to BC. In short, we can use a mnemonic. So Choa. Well, this is how I remember the ratios. Sine S corresponds to sine, O corresponds to opposite side, H corresponds to hypotenuse. So sine is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, and C corresponds to cosine, and A corresponds to adjacent, and H corresponds to hypotenuse. So cosine is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Tangent for T corresponds to tangent, and O corresponds to opposite side, and A corresponds to adjacent. So tangent of angle is equal to opposite over adjacent. Now there are other three trig ratios, another three trig ratios, that is cosecant or cosec of theta, which is equal to 1 upon sine theta, is the inverse of sine theta, or it's the ratio of hypotenuse upon opposite. Now remember, sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse, and inverse of sine theta is hypotenuse over opposite. So cosec is 1 upon sine theta. In this case, hypotenuse is AC and opposite side is AB. Now another term, secant of theta, sec theta, is equal to 1 upon cos theta. One upon cos theta. Now cos theta, you know cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, so sec theta is inverse of cos theta, it must be hypotenuse over adjacent. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse over adjacent, or you can say in this triangle hypotenuse is AC and adjacent side is BC. So sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. Now another term, cotangent or theta, in short, is 1 upon tan theta, or inverse of tan theta. What is tan theta? It's opposite side over adjacent side. So inverse of tan theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, opposite side. So cot theta is adjacent or opposite side, or in this case opposite is AB and BC is the adjacent, so BC by AB. So these are the trig ratios you must remember. Now before that, A, B, C. Now what is tan theta? We know that it is BC upon AB, because BC is adjacent side and AB is opposite side, and we know that tan theta is opposite over adjacent, so it's AB over BC. AB over BC. BC. In a similar way, now before that, we know that sine theta by cos theta is sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse, that is AB upon AC upon, now cos theta corresponds to the ratio adjacent over hypotenuse, that is BC upon AC. Here I'm trying to derive a relationship between tan theta and sine theta by cos theta. I'm just trying to prove that these both are equal. Now we know that sine theta is AB by AC and cos theta is BC by AC. On dividing this, AB by AC, this goes to the numerator and this goes to the denominator, so AC by BC. AC gets cancelled, therefore sine theta by cos theta is equal to AB upon BC. Now what do you see over here? AB upon BC. I got the same thing as tan theta. So I can say that sine theta by cos theta is the same as tan theta. Don't remember this I just drew for reference for this triangle. Just remember this, sine theta by cos theta is tan theta. So here we have a question. If cos theta is 3 upon 5, then find the values of all trig ratios. Now pause the video and find the values yourself. Now I'm going to solve this question. Let's see if your answers are correct. Now given that cos theta is 3 upon 5. Now here PQR is a right triangle such that angle QPR makes an angle theta. Now here PQ is 3 and PR is 5, because we know that cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. Here 3 corresponds to adjacent side and 5 corresponds to hypotenuse. This is the adjacent side, so 3 is the value of adjacent side, and 5 is the units. 5 units is the hypotenuse side. It corresponds to hypotenuse. So cos theta is 3 upon 5, so adjacent side is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. Now we have to find all the trig ratios. Now let's find the sine value first. Sine theta. What is sine theta? What is it? Is it opposite over hypotenuse? Yes, it is opposite over hypotenuse. Now we don't know the value of opposite. How to find this value? Now in earlier grades you must have learned Pythagorean theorem. It says that the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of adjacent side and the base side. I mean the base side and the perpendicular side. That is opposite side square plus adjacent square. Using this formula, let's find. This is the Pythagorean theorem. Now hypotenuse square is phi square is equal to opposite square. Wait, what is the opposite? QR. QR square plus adjacent square, 3 square. Now QR, when it goes to this side, is equal to phi square minus 3 square, or QR is equal to root of phi square minus 3 square. Now I'm going to solve this over here. QR is equal to 25 minus 3 square is 9. So root of 16 is equal to 4. Therefore QR is 4. This is 4. Now let's put in the values. Opposite side is 4, hypotenuse is 5, therefore sine theta is 4 by 5, and tan theta is opposite over adjacent, that is 4 upon 3, and cosec is the inverse of sine theta, so it must be the inverse of sine theta. So 5 upon 4, and sec theta is the inverse of cos theta, again inverse, so 3 by 4, and cot theta is inverse of tan theta, so inverse of tan theta is, oh, this is cos theta is 3 by 5. I'm sorry, this I got confused. It's 1 upon cos theta, it's inverse of this, 5 by 3. Now cot theta is 1 upon tan theta, is the inverse of tan theta is 3 by 4. So if you got all the correct answers, then you are a pro at this, a pro at trigonometric ratios. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please like, comment and share. I hope my video was helpful. I'm gonna make more videos like this and give you more examples, more questions for you to solve. So bye for now.